every time, whatever we do, who is called as a leader? A leader is someone. जब काम खत्म हो जाए and everyone feels like this work is done because of me working there. Okay, they don't realize who has set the goals, who is working behind the scenes. कई बार okay picture बनती है हमें screen पर नजर आते हैं, we just see actor and actresses performing, but who is actually a story maker, who is actually a director, who is the producer, who is the cameraman. Okay, these are the people who work behind the scenes. So let us understand from these people what are their strategies and what were their strategies every time, because we say the shape of the chapter changes after every 6 months, because the leadership team changes after every 6 months. But there is someone who stays in the chapter for long. So let us hear from them how they deal with this change every 6 months. So for that, let me invite again Mr. Nilesh Agarwal to moderate a wonderful DNA Fire Talk. And to all the members who are sitting here, for the first time we are conducting this DNA. What is DNA? Many people don't know. That's why. What is DNA? हम सबको लगता है हमारी body का एक part है DNA. Yes, very rightly said. A very important part of BNI Greater Surat, जिसके बिना we cannot function. What is that DNA? D stands for Director, Consultant and Ambassadors. So to all the Director and Consultants and Ambassadors and the Senior Director Consultant, a huge round of applause. And now let me invite Mr. Nilesh Agarwal.
So, there's a one word that is called momentous moment. Now, what is momentous moment? Momentous moment वो होता है जब हम लोग स्कूल से कॉलेज में जाते हैं, जब हमारी शादी होती है, something which is new to us, like कईयों के लिए नया साल is a momentous moment, first of that January, right? So I'm very happy कि इस बार ये जो LTRT हो रहा है, I think you must have seen something new. आज बहुत कुछ नया हुआ, where we had a momentous moment. कि इस टेन्योर को, इस LTRT को इस तरीके से करें, which is not done earlier, and that is called innovation with traditions, right? So DNA is about your DNA in your body, and DNA in BNI is directors, that is, and ambassadors. So first of all, before I go further, मैं request करूँगा the people who are right now sitting here, who are the part of this DNA team, please raise on their seats, please, please, please. Those are part of DNA. Please give a big round of applause for all these people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just starting and putting the things right in the very context right. You know, I see table tennis. Table tennis क्या होता है? There is a one and the other one is that one. So यहाँ पे होता है ping pong. Ball इधर-उधर जाती है. So that DNA is that net between the RO and the chapter. Okay, right. But these are the people who are the one who really make the balance of passing on the right information from here to there. थोड़ा सा भी miscommunication हो जाए, so it creates the mess up, right? Okay. So these are the people who have been doing it over the years again and again. जैसे हमने बोला कि LT का जो tenure होता है वो तो 6 महीने के लिए होता है, but these are the people there for long term, right? So मैं कुछ लोगों को यहाँ पे invite करना चाहूँगा for this DNA fire talk and fire walk. ये फायर वॉक के जैसा भी है, फायर के ऊपर चलने के जैसा भी होता है, राइट? सो द पॉइंट इज दैट आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट सम पीपल ओवर हियर, दोज हु हैव डन ट्रिमेंडस. आप सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है अपने टेन्योर में लास्ट ईयर. टेन्योर मींस जो लास्ट 6 मंथ से 1 ईयर थे, आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है सबने. बट कुछ लोगों ने आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस दिया है, एंड एज दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म LTRT जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So I would like to invite some people over here with giving some introduction of them, so that everybody should know who they are, right? Now, there is one person in this room who is a part of DNA team for a long time. I would say that for the last 4 or 5 years, more than that even. That person says, age is just a number. Age is just a number. And that person has been doing fantabulous things. That person is the one, जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं, उनका aura बोलता है. The person who is born on a very special day, and I was doing the calculation of that day, and that day was 2nd of October. 2nd of October सारे लेजेंड ही पैदा होते हैं. There is the one Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation. Then there is a Lal Bahadur Shastri. Anup Jaju भी 2 तारीख को पैदा हुए, right? And there is a lady who was born on 2nd of October, that Meenakshi ma'am, right? So she was born on 2nd of October, and इनके लिए मैं क्या बोलूँ? She has launched 3 chapters. इन्होंने 3 चैप्टर लॉन्च किए हैं, and the chapter she has launched is Bahubali, which is like always there, making and breaking records. She has launched Jupiter, she has launched Royal, right? And she's the one who has been always leading from the front. अगर सूरत BNI में कुछ भी announcement होता है, that we are looking for our chapters to grow, that is called platinum, you know, that making the chapters platinum, mission platinum. तो ये 2 बार इन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट को लीड किया. She is the one who is right now taking care of 6 chapters as a senior director consultant, and those chapters are Bahubali, Karma, Chanakya, Drona, Jupiter and Passion. That's great. और ये जहाँ पे भी जाती है ना, like पारस होता है ना, किसी भी चीज को हाथ लगाता है तो it becomes like something very special. तो ये जहाँ पे भी जाती है ना, जिस चैप्टर में भी she focus, it becomes great. She was there in Jupiter, which made a record of 53 inductions, and now Bahubali making it 54. Wow! So she has been the senior director consultant for both the chapters. Always consistent. जितने भी chapters ये कर रही हैं, they are always the top performing chapters. So please give a big round of applause and please do welcome Meenakshi Ma for BNI Surat. Yes, over to you there, ma'am. Please be seated. Now we talk about a young and dynamic guy, the other person who is coming to be here. That person is always smiling. आप कहीं पे भी मिल लो, that person is always smiling. The man, the young guy who talks about number, उसको number ही समझ में आता है, right? And he is the one person who is always caring and helpful, one who understands the number, and after looking to the number, that person do the reverse calculation. And this is the man who is again the DC, Director Consultant for 2 chapters. He is taking care of Bahubali and he is taking care of other chapter. And he is a Senior Director Consultant for Icon and Royal. He is a Director Consultant for Bahubali and Diamond. Please do welcome Mr. Ankit. तुम नाम लेने से पहले खड़े हो गए. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Then we talk about the 3rd person in the room. That person talks about solving the problem. इनका काम ये problems को solve करना, right? And this is a man जहाँ पे भी कोई ग्रह नक्षत्र खराब होते हैं ना, कोई भी placement इधर होता है ना, तो he is the one who make it okay. So I know you understand. This is Bhagyadrashta. That is Mr. Sanjay Agarwal. He is a man who loves challenges, and challenges के साथ इनका बहुत बड़ा नाता है. ये या तो वहाँ जाते हैं जहाँ challenges होते हैं, या जहाँ पे ये जाते हैं वहाँ पे challenges आ जाते हैं. I don't know, but he is the one person who solves it. He is a man who is very consistent. He is the one person who says never give up. So he is the man I would like to just share that he is taking care of 2 chapters. One is the Champion and the Napoleon, and he's very consistently doing and giving his best to give the solutions to that chapter. Thank you, sir. Thanks for being with us. Then we have one more person in the room. You know that records are made to be broken. Right? आप बिलीव करते हो ना इस बात, रिकॉर्ड बने इसलिए होता है कि उनको ब्रेक करना होता है. बट हु इज द ट्रेंड सेटर? कौन सा ऐसा इंसान है जो उसको स्टार्ट करता है? सो हियर इज द वन मैन आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट. एज में बहुत छोटे हैं, नॉट वेरी मच. इनफैक्ट हो सकता है कि ही इज वन ऑफ द यंगेस्ट पर्सन इन दिस रूम, बट जो उन्होंने कारनामे किए हैं, दे आर अमेजिंग. So as a president of the chapter, he has taken his chapter to the heights of success, and from there something started कि half century induction कैसे किया जाता है in one tenure. So this man is supporting as a DC to the chapter again, which is very amazing. He is taking care of passion, so please do welcome Mr. Shreyansh Jain. Now, last but not the least, इस बंदे का क्या बोलते हैं, नॉट बंदे का, इस पोजीशन का तो कोई जिक्र नहीं होता है कभी विदाउट रिकॉग्नाइजेशन. दिस इज अ थैंकलेस जॉब, नोबडी रिकॉग्नाइज इट. ये ऐसा रोल है, राइट? बट द वे दिस पर्सन हैज डन समथिंग अमेजिंग, ये सबके लिए एक मिसाल है, सबके लिए एक लर्निंग है दैट हाउ बीइंग एन एम्बेसडर you can make your presence felt in the world's largest chapter, Alchemist. So this is profession. My profession is a doctor. दांतों को ठीक करते हैं, but यहाँ पे he is a man who has been just taking care of the doing follow-ups, and many more things. So please do welcome Mr. Kunal Parikh over here. Please. Wow, thank you. So मैं आपके पास से आ जाता हूँ थोड़ा सा. Friends, now we are going to have a fire walk and fire talk about what you have been doing over the period of time. So I would like to ask Meenakshi ma'am that when we sit and we talk about growth, so growth क्या होता है according to you, and as a DC, what are the needs to be done? What are the things to be done to take care of the growth? So according to you, what is growth and how to take care of that? Yeah, please.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. So, directly coming to the point, growth as a director consultant. Leadership team अलग एंगल से देखती है. As a director consultant, आपको किस एंगल से देखना है? So, firstly, I want to ask all the director consultants by raising hand. How many of you are aware about 3+1? The traffic lights 3+1. There are 2 people. So that's a new thing for all of us. Traffic lights 3+1. That's very, very important to understand the growth strategies. So number 1 is inductions, right? That is number 1, inductions. And if we see it from the perspective of region, it is again launch, right? As a DC, we need to understand that. Because regional growth is definitely launch, and chapter में अगर growth अपन को देखते हैं as a director consultants, then inductions. Number 2, which is extremely important, that is from the director consultant perspective, it is net growth. यानी कितने लोग ड्रॉप हुए, उसके बाद आपने कितने ऐड किया और उसके ऊपर आपकी नेट ग्रोथ क्या है. That is our lookout, right? We miss out on that. We feel that yes, बहुत सारे लोग इंडक्ट हो गए हैं. We have done 14 inductions, 15 inductions, but अगर वहाँ पर 9 की drop है, 9 people are dropping, then that net growth is only 5, not 14. That is why we see the difference. So as a director consultant, we have to see that net growth is maintained. And as a region, we call it a fill-in. Again, we need to understand this. The third major point for a growth, can you all say it together, because we all know that leaky bucket का अपन शब्द सुना है. What is that one point which is very important for growth of a chapter? Retention. Yes, friends. Retention and renewal process, as we all know, as a director consultant, starts when? From the day when Manish ji always says, BNI के हिसाब से 120 days before retention start होता है, but from the day the person has joined, there from that side only renewal process start. See, I remember when we went to Mumbai, Mr. Atul Joglekar, the very senior person, the head of BNI India, he shared that growth means retention. Because if you have people, अगर आपने किसी को छोड़ा नहीं है, तो नए लोग आके भी जाएंगे. Because that number is actually increasing. But what happens? Because of maybe so many things, हम लोग कई बार वो छोड़ देते हैं. I would really love to, यहाँ पर मैं एक example quote करना चाहूँगी. BNI कर्मा definitely 100% renewals उन्होंने first month में डन कर दिए थे. 100% renewal was done. And same way, I remember maybe long back, not for last renewal, Marvel, BNI Marvel did this. Like, that is very important, friends. Inductions की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो I really want to quote one chapter, that is आज जिनका बहुत सारा शोर है, that is my launch chapter BNI बाहुबली. Like from the day when they were knowing कि हमको क्या करना है, and उसी के हिसाब से वो लोग सारे काम कर रहे थे. So friends, 3 major points, but I said 3+1. Can anyone tell me what is that 1? Ashfaq. What is that 1? 3+1. What can be this? Can somebody Yes.
That one is very important for everyone sitting in the room. That is stories.
Creating
Stories of success stories of members, success stories of leadership, success stories of coordinators. The stories that you feel are important for the growth of your chapter, for the region, for the members and everyone. It is about all about stories. आप देखोगे every time when I come to speak, I speak about a member who has a success story. Like I told about Nishan, it was a joke, but I am telling you he has an amazing success story. Every time I come in, I speak about a member because I know the stories really well, and it is important to know whose story you are in. Thank you.
And as a thank you so much, Ashfaq. जैसे नरेश जी has a story and whole world knows about it, right? Friends, as a director consultant, we should know the stories and we should be able to create the stories. Maybe somewhere business stories. What business activities we have done, we have strategized, we have planned. और उसमें से क्या success निकल के आया है? कितने members को इतना अच्छे से business मिला है? As an attendance in क्या story create की है? Very nicely पूजन shared कि BNI game में एक point रख दिया. So as a director consultant, friends, as an ambassador, you can have amazing stories, and those stories will be helpful when shared. Stories होती हैं, but as a DC कई बार हमें वो stories की awareness नहीं. So as a director consultant, I request everyone keep talking about stories to other members. ये examples होते हैं, region में share होता है, and हमको हमेशा वो चीज growth के लिए, then अगर हम ये तीन चीजें follow कर रहे हैं friends, for induction, if we are like proposing, inviting activities, for net growth, if we are checking that members are not dropping, and for retention, if we are starting engaging those members जिनका renewal due है 4 महीने बाद, अगर हम engage कर रहे हैं and उनसे मिलके stories share कर रहे हैं, then the growth is a byproduct for the chapter. 100% amazing growth will be there. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. I would like to correlate what you're saying. आमदनी उतनी, खर्चा 12 आना. If there is a leaky bucket,
आमदनी खर्चा रुपया.
Yeah, exactly right. So this is the one part, and we all know that money saved is money earned. That means retention is the one key factor to take care, because एक बंदे को drop करना easy होता है, पर दूसरे बंदे को लाना is very difficult, you know. And why that person should be dropped? That person should be there in the system, and if you take care of that thing, everything will be
One
yeah.
thing. As a director consultant, please coach your leadership team to meet members personally, not to talk on phone.
Yes.
Please friends, it's our experience. हम यहाँ जितने, it's my personal experience कि phone पे बात करना उसके लिए नहीं है काफी. You have to go face to face, meet them, coach your leadership team and retention coordinator to do so, and whenever required, you be along with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thanks a lot. Now I would like to go to the other person, Mr. Ankit. Ankit, as I told you that you are a person of the numbers, right? And हमेशा हम ये भी समझते हैं कि what get measures get done, right? ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा ही है. Goal बहुत सारे लोग set करते हैं, but when we talk about the reality, it bites. Reality bites because there's a gap of that goal versus performance. So what is your take on this? That what get measured and how to track the goal versus performance? Could you please some light on that?
Yes, thank you so much, Nareshji. Thank you so much, Dr. Nidhi ma'am, and for giving this opportunity to speak in front of all the leaders of BNI Greater Surat. So first of all, जैसे आपने कहा कि as soon as we set the goal, we should start the momentum. We should start, the measuring all the goals. हमें measure क्या करना है? Weekly we have to see the goals. We have to see monthly. We have to see it quarterly. Right? This is what we need to do consistently, continuously. हमें देखते रहना है, monitor करते रहना है. We can get all that data from the PALMS. PALMS speaks all about it. So I'll talk about the monitoring part. So we have, अगर हम weekly बात करें, weekly अगर goal set करना है, so some DCs पीछे पड़े रहते हैं, president की vice president की, please post the chapter meeting report in the LT group. Why is that done? That is done just to monitor the goals versus performance week on week basis. Then we have membership committee reports. So we just completed the membership committee report. That is done to see that all the coordinators of the chapter are active and to see that they adhere to the goals that we have set. And finally, of course, we have the leadership team meeting reports. So these are the reports which are very very useful and very very important. और ये आपकी लाइफ आसान कर देती है. And this will definitely make all the coordinators active. I talk about the monitoring part, and now I talk about the action part. अगर हमें दिखता है कि we are थोड़ा सा drift हो रहे हैं goal से, तो what should we do? We should not only talk with the जो DCs की मैं बात करता हूँ, we should not only talk with the leadership team, we should also talk with the coordinators and also with the members. How can we achieve all those goals, right? For example, अगर टीम ने सेट किया है 2400 रेफरल्स का in coming 6 months, that is 400 referrals per month, and first week में we are around 50 referrals and we are short by 50 more referrals. क्या करना चाहिए? Talk to one coordinator, talk to referral value coordinator, talk to some person. ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जो referral punch नहीं करते, right? That is one action part. Second action part, have an agenda in every meeting. आज अगर मैं जा रहा हूँ मीटिंग में, I have an agenda. I have to talk with these 3 coordinators and I have to talk with these 7 to 8 members. And this when I do before the meeting starts and after the meeting gets over. I talk about their role. I talk about their challenges in their role, and also I talk about how they can make a difference by contributing to their role. And this is how I track the performance of the goals, and definitely we try to achieve the goals. Thank you.
Thank you, and thanks a lot for that. Now I will come to Mr. Sanjay Agarwal. Sanjay ji, if I talk about chapters, और हर चैप्टर में एक कंसर्न होता है, हर चैप्टर में एक चैलेंज होता है. So I would like to know that how do you strike a balance of all the challenges, the gap and the growth, जो बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ में आ जाती हैं और बहुत mess up हो जाता है. So how do you take care of those things, please? Yeah.
Good morning, Ian.
Good morning.
नरेश जी, आपने 1.5 साल याद दिला दिए जो चैलेंजेस आए थे. तो हम बात करते हैं चैलेंजेस की, तो जितने भी 22-23 चैप्टर्स हैं, सबके अंदर किसी न किसी प्रकार के चैलेंजेस रहते हैं. किसी के डिफरेंट रहते हैं, किसी के डिफरेंट. हाँ, हमारे चैप्टर्स में भी चैलेंजेस है. उसका एक ही मूल मंत्र है, कांस्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन. फ्रेंड्स, अगर डीसी कांस्टेंट कम्युनिकेशन कर रहा है विद द एटी, विद द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, विद द मेंबर्स, तो उसके लिए ये चीजें बहुत इजी हो जाती है अपने आप को समझने के लिए कि किस तरीके से रीजनल लेवल की या कोई भी पॉलिसी को इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए. पहली चीज. सेकेंडली, अगर हर 6 महीने बाद हमें पूछा जाता है कि हु विल बी द नेक्स्ट एटी, उस टाइम अगर हमारा कम्युनिकेशन मेंबर्स और एटी के साथ नहीं है, तो डेफिनेटली इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब टू सिलेक्ट द राइट प्रेसिडेंट, राइट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और सेक्रेटरी ट्रेजरर. सो डेफिनेटली आपका कम्युनिकेशन इज द कोर thing to get the success in any challenging chapter or any chapter of the thing. Second, friends, मैं बात करूंगा, हम हमेशा बात करते हैं कि लीडरशिप टीम ग्रोथ माइंडसेट की है या नहीं. मैं आज सभी डायरेक्टर से पूछता हूं, क्या हम ग्रोथ माइंडसेट के साथ हम आते हैं किसी चैप्टर में? अगर हमारा खुद का माइंडसेट ग्रोथ का नहीं है और हम सोचते हैं कि एटी ग्रोथ करेगी तो एटी ग्रोथ नहीं कर सकेगी, तो सबसे पहले हमारा ग्रोथ माइंडसेट होना बहुत जरूरी है. और ग्रोथ सिर्फ इंडक्शंस नहीं, ऑन रिटेंशंस, ऑन बिजनेस, एवरीथिंग आपका एक ग्रोथ माइंडसेट होना चाहिए. जब आप किसी चैप्टर को कंट्रोल कर रहे हो तो ये उसको आपको किस तरीके से नेक्स्ट लेवल तक ले जाना है, उसके लिए आप एक मोटिवेशन का पार्ट बनते हो. तो डेफिनेटली आई एम प्राउड टू बी द सपोर्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ नेपोलियन एंड चैंपियंस. ये दोनों नंबर्स में बहुत छोटे हैं, लेकिन दोनों की सीट वैल्यू बहुत से चैप्टर से ऊपर है. इट्स मोर देन 50 लाख रुपीस. एंड for Napoleon I can say that इन्होंने पिछले 6 महीने में 10+ का नेट ग्रोथ किया है and they are having 95% attendance in there. And champions लास्ट 2 साल से जुनून में हाईएस्ट सीट वैल्यू का अवार्ड ले रहा है. तो डेफिनेटली मैं तो यही बोलूंगा, जैसे लोग बोलते हैं कि सूरत में गाड़ी चला लेता है, वो कहीं पे भी गाड़ी चला सकता है, वैसे ही जो चैंपियन और नेपोलियन को संभाल सकता है वो किसी भी चैप्टर का सपोर्ट करेगा. थैंक यू.
With this, I remember my first day in university. I did my graduation from university. The first day in university, I just entered. On the wall, I wrote down, "People are alone because they make wall instead of making bridges." People are alone because they make wall instead of making bridges. Next day, somebody corrected it more appropriately. People are alone because they make China wall instead of making Vidyasagar Setu. You understand my point? So the point is that communication is very, very important. How you communicate with the members in your team. That's fantastic. Now we come to the guy, as I told you, the one who made the records and the people are now following it. It is a trendsetter. So, Shesh, I would like to know from you that when we talk about leadership team, right? And the leadership team, when we talk about, they all have, every leadership team has got a different mindset, right? Every leadership has a different mindset होता है. So, what are the way you deal with them when it is about different mindset coming from the LT level? Yeah, please.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you very much, Nidhi ma'am, for giving this opportunity. So वैसे मैं पीपल्स पर्सन तो मुझे बहुत टिपिकल चैलेंजेस नहीं आते लीडरशिप टीम के साथ कुछ भी हैंडल करने में. सो एज अ डायरेक्टर सब मुझसे एग्री करेंगे कि जो भी लीडरशिप सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस होता है दैट इज द टैबलेट प्रोसेस. ऐसा नहीं एक महीने पहले ही हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं. हमारे माइंड में पिक्चर नेक्स्ट लीडर कौन होने वाला है पहले से होती है. तो मीनवाइल जब तक वो एलटी लेवल पे आते हैं तब तक हम उनको इतना कंफर्टेबल कर देते हैं अपने साथ कि जो भी उनके माइंडसेट है उसको अपने माइंडसेट के साथ अलाइन कर सके. सो आगे डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियंस आए ही नहीं. दैट इज माय फर्स्ट पॉइंट. So as a support director, it is my duty to support the chapter, especially support the LT for the smooth functioning of the chapter and the growth of the chapter. But many times what होता है कि जब भी लीडरशिप टीम्स आते हैं उनके डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस होते हैं कोई भी पॉलिसीज को लेके या बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव कि कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सक्सेसफुली रन करने के लिए उनके गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की पॉलिसीज जो उनके रूल्स बने होते हैं उन पे अगर कंसिस्टेंट वर्क करते हैं सो वी गेट द एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट्स. BNI being a 37-year-old organization it has already created basics and policies जो कि proven results देती है that we have seen as a support director as leadership teams. So I always try and guide my leadership teams to go by the books. तो कहीं कहीं लीडरशिप चेंज होती है बट वो पॉलिसी रूल्स अगर हम फॉलो करते हैं तो जो हम लोगों का अल्टीमेट गोल होता है वो अचीव होता है. सी बहुत बड़े डिफरेंसेस आते हैं एलटीज में सपोर्ट डायरेक्टर्स में कि हम कुछ और चाहते हैं वो कुछ और चाहते हैं. सो बीइंग न्यूट्रल हम उनकी बात को सुनते हैं कि वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं बिकॉज लोगों के इंटेंशंस कभी गलत नहीं होते. एज अ सपोर्ट डायरेक्टर एज अ एलटी और एज एनी चैप्टर मेंबर एवरीवन इज वर्किंग फॉर द बेस्ट फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द चैप्टर नॉट फॉर एनी इंडिविजुअल. सो उनकी जब बात हम लोग सुनते हैं सो व्हाट आई ट्राई कि हम लोग अलाइन होकर एक सेम पेज पे आ सके बिकॉज आई नो इंटेंशन गलत नहीं करने का तरीका अलग हो सकता है. सो दिस इज सेकंड पॉइंट कि उनको कांस्टेंट मोटिवेशन और गाइडेंस के साथ हम लोग उनके जो गोल्स हैं वो ट्राई करते हैं वो अचीव बिकॉज वंस दे स्टार्ट टेस्टिंग द सक्सेस ऑफ दोस गोल्स एवरीथिंग एल्स फॉल्स इनटू इट्स प्लेस.
या थैंक यू थैंक्स अ लॉट. सो इसी को मैं दो अपनी भाषा में बोलना चाहूंगा. वन, people may fail but not the systems, right? People may fail but not the systems, number one. Number two, as you told that you get aligned with the people, तो मेरे से मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुन बोले हमारा. Thank you, thanks a lot. Yeah, thank you. Now we come to the one person as I talked about. इतने बड़े चैप्टर को हैंडल करना वहाँ पे तो एंट्री भी मुश्किल से होती है. इसको बैठने नहीं देते ये लोग, राइट? वहाँ पे जाके अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना, अपने आप को एक उनके बीच में रह के उनके साथ में उनके जैसा बन जाना एंड फिर अपने हिसाब से काम भी करना और करवाना. सो आई वुड लाइक टू जस्ट से दैट हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर एज एन एम्बेसडर द फॉलो अप आर इम्पोर्टेंट. लाइक फॉलो अप्स का एक एज एन एम्बेसडर क्योंकि एम्बेसडर्स कई बार क्या होते हैं कि दे कमिंग दैट यू नो दैट कंफर्ट जोन कि हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है. देयर इज अ डीसी यूज्ड टू आंसर, right? So ambassadors sometimes they go that come and see, like they just become very comfort zone guy. So for you being proactive and how you did it, please tell me about that. Yeah.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Brunal Parekh, support ambassador of BNI and chemistry. So आपके 3 follow-ups होते हैं when you become an ambassador. There are 3 follow-ups that are needed to be done. That is members traffic light, then there is training and mentoring. But I am very fortunate enough that our support director, Dr. Nidhi Trivedi, gave me full hand that you can work however you want, but results starts to be soon. So maybe as an ambassador, I would also look into the passport system and as well as into the, converting the visitors So it was not only related to the 3 topics, but I could work with all the other areas. So I thank Dr. Nidhi Singhvi for giving me this opportunity. Secondly, when you are a support ambassador and you are working proactively, there is people support that you get, and that's what I was, privileged to get in Alchemist. So if you think that you have capabilities of doing more areas other than these 3, why would you stop this? But there is one thin line that you have to be in close communication with the support director of that particular chapter. So because they are the ones who knows कि chapter में क्या होता है, so we have to be in close communication with them. Secondly, if as in passport program, जैसे मैडम ने बोला कि passport program में is the key to getting retention. So that has to be followed, and it has to be leaky bucket. If you are not following up the passport program, you can be a leaky bucket. So मेरा follow-ups were not related to only passport, but also the chapter growth. And that is how we created Magic in Alchemist. It was once the number 1 chapter, or it was largest chapter, India's largest chapter. And then support ambassador ki, or just and then there are, I think
Yeah, I think I want to say something favorably. So I Yeah, please.
So the one mantra that works for all support ambassadors, support directors, that works and fits for all is follow-ups and follow-ups. When you are in close communication with the leadership team, when you are with close communication with the members of the chapter and the support director and the coordinator, you create the next line of leadership. As a support ambassador, you have to work extra hard to create your value in the chapter. So how you can create it by follow-ups. All the data are available in BNI website, and if you have any, struggling in any way to get the data, the regional office is always a call away, your support director is always a call and a message away to get you the data, and then you can work it. So my message to all the support ambassadors is you can create your value by working with the leadership team by close follow-ups. और मेरा एक चीज last thing is people say कि हम इतना follow-up करते हैं तो people tend to block their numbers, they stop replying them. So believe me, I have been a member of BNI from last 5 years and Alchemist since last 60 months. There is no single person who has blocked my number, and the key is because we follow BNI core values, building relationship and give us gain. If we follow the BNI core values, you can easily do follow. Thank you.
Can you please stand there? Actually, can you please stand? He is actually as good as a support director for Alchemist. Am I right in saying that? Right? One thing. Second thing. And I have personally had a privilege to work with him 3 times. One as an LVH in Elite, as a vice president in Elite, and as an ambassador जहाँ पे वो अभी Alchemist में काम कर रहे हैं. But the thing is, yes, जैसे इन्होंने बताया, right, follow up करते हैं और ऐसे करते हैं. A lot of people tell us कि भाई मैंने 2 बार follow किया, 3 बार follow किया, सर वो नहीं सुनता है. Sometimes you have to follow 5 times, 7 times and everything, right? और वो करते हैं. But the way he does it, जैसे इन्होंने इतनी humbly बोल दिया कि मैंने ये कर लिया है. I am telling you, इससे कई ज़्यादा इन्होंने effort डाला है to make Alchemist what it is today. Am I right, guys? Yeah. Okay, yes. So वो जो follow करने का इनका तरीका है, वो जो इनका कहने का तरीका is one part. Second part जो उन्होंने बताया specifically for ambassadors to look forward to is identifying the next leaders in the chapter. And he is outstanding in identifying doing that. Visitors आने से लेके जाने तक, growth forms लेके follow up करने तक, हर काम में he takes follow up of the LT plus he ensures that कितने induction इस हफ्ते होने वाले हैं नहीं होने वाले. They planned 11 induction this month and I am sure उससे ज़्यादा LT के साथ LT जितनी मेहनत वो खुद करेंगे in this time for them. Thank you so much.
आप मत देखिए, नो वरीज, हो जाएगा, आप चिंता मत करिए, आपको बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है, काम हो जाएगा एंड द वर्क इज डन. So thank you so much, Dr. Pranay, for supporting PNI activities.
And I think तुम्हारा profession भी आपको मतलब it is your profession is also helping you because I know Dr. Ankit is also you know the value of follow that is also helping you a lot. Thank you, thanks a lot. Right. So last one liner, only one line you have to use, one line, nothing more than that. Because time is always stressing in BNI, right? Okay. So if I ask you all the people sitting in the over here in the panel that what one thing you have learned or developed during this your journey of being the DCs and the masters? What one thing which has really gained you? Like,
so I was used to be a perfectionist earlier. So what I learned is don't be a perfectionist, just strive for results. Because they are the doers, you are the guiding thoughts.
very good, very nice, fantastic. Yes, over to next one.
Learning never ends.
Learning never ends.
I have learned last year also and before that also, and my teacher is Nitina. So for last 10 years, that palms reading is my learning, and that helping me a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, over to you. Okay.
Yes, so my greatest learning I always learned from Nidhi ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, of course you. The biggest learning I had, action speaks louder than words. Just perform and just do it. Nothing more than that.
That's great. Wonderful.
सबसे पहले गौरव जी नीली मैम को धन्यवाद दूंगा कि मैं आज यहाँ पे बैठ के फायर टॉक पे हूँ। मेरे हिसाब से मेरी लर्निंग है कि अगर चैप्टर चलाना है तो दो चीजें होनी बहुत जरूरी है। एक होप, चैप्टर की होप बनो, और दूसरा चैप्टर के मेंबर्स पे आपका ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए। अगर ये दो चीजें हैं तो डेफिनेटली, और जो लर्निंग आप बोल रहे हो वो सीखी है रिजेक्शन। मेरे को रिजेक्शन में बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा मगर अब 90% रिजेक्शन से आदत पड़ गई।
Getting out of your comfort zone and working. So as I said, 5 years से elite में था, so I have that kind of bonding that I can get things done. So what I learned is stepping out of your comfort zone and working in a different chapter.
Make sure you take care whether you have a lucky bucket or a leaky bucket. Okay, lucky means when the retention is very high and your members are with you and they should be with you, right? That is your lucky bucket. That you are filling, right? But leaky bucket you need to take care, right? So, last 1 minute, 30 seconds I would say. For the LDs, keep in mind that chapters are not for 1 day. Chapters are not for 1 year. आप BNI में कब तक हैं, 1 साल है, 2 साल है, but trust in the chapters keep on moving, right? So it is not a sprint by any means. Yesterday there was somebody talking in passion. It is not a sprint. It is about what? It is about two things. One is it is about marathon and second is about relay game. So जो LT होता है वो relay game होता है. You pass on the torch to the next team. That is a relay. But as a DC, it is marathon that you are there forever. Thank you, thanks a lot, and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
And so all the leaders were sitting with right. So adopt this mantra for another 6 months. I'm sure you will be a game changer for your chapters. Start performing, Director Consultant.